I bet you didn't know the full extent of Senator Karasensia Chabuka's legacy. Today, we honor her remarkable journey. Manicaland Provincial Women Chairperson and a veteran of the liberation struggle, Karasensia Chabuka, has left us. She dedicated her life to bettering Zimbabwe, serving as senator for 4 terms. Her passing follows a long illness, and she is survived by 4 children and 3 grandchildren. Manicaland Provincial Coordinator Itai Masaka confirmed her passing, saying, "Her contributions to the fight for a better Zimbabwe will always be cherished and celebrated." Mourners have gathered at 11160 Murambi Gardens East Mutare to pay their respects. Senator Chabuka will be laid to rest on Tuesday, July 9, 2024, in Chitandarano Village, in Mutungagor, Makoni South Constituency, Makoni District. Her legacy of service, commitment, and unwavering dedication to Zimbabwe will never be forgotten. Rest in peace, Senator Karasensia Chabuka. Your spirit will continue to inspire us all.